How to create a new Microsoft account. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Google Chrome and search Microsoft account. Click on the first link that pops up, which is Microsoft account. Sign in or create your account today. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on top right corner of your screen to sign in. Then click on create one. Add your email address, then press on next. Add your password. Simply create a password and verify email. Enter the code Microsoft sends you on your mail. Simply copy paste it and then press on next. And you need to do this activity and submit it and you're good to go. That's how you create a new Microsoft account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.